Hey guys, welcome to FM Driving School. So the theory test on the 28th of September 2020 will be changing. So let's get into it, but before we do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for all the latest videos, latest updates about your driving lessons and driving tests. So this is on the official government website. The theory test changes 28th of September 2020. And the car theory test will include 3 multiple choice questions based on a short video you'll watch. Okay, let's go through it. The way the theory test works in England, Scotland and Wales will change from the 28th of September 2020. The same changes will apply in Northern Ireland. The changes will make the theory test more accessible, especially to people with reading difficulties, so dyslexia, learning disability, developmental conditions like autism. The change only applies to the car theory test to begin with, okay? So the changes was due to happen on the 14th of April 2020 but was postponed due to the coronavirus. How the theory test is changing to use video clips instead of written case studies. Currently, you have to read a case study and then answer 5 questions about it. This tests your knowledge and understanding of the road rules. This will change if you take your test from the 20th of September 2020. You'll watch 1 video clip instead of reading a case study and answer 3 questions about it. So is that clear? So before you had a case study and you had to answer 5 questions, now you're going to be given a video and you're going to have to answer 3 questions. How using a video clip will work. Okay, you'll watch a short silent video clip and answer 3 multiple choice questions about it. So it's going to be silent. You can watch the video clip as many times as you like during the multiple choice part of the theory test. And that's quite important again. Okay, example, you can watch the video, answer a question, then watch the video again before you answer the next question. Okay, what the video clip will look like. Let's go through it. The video clip will show you a situation such as driving through a town center or driving on a country road. Let's play it. So it's going to be silent. Sorry. Driving in a straight road here. We can see a truck on the left. Alright, nothing's happening so far. Bike is just overtaking us. Another bike. I can see a red car trying to pull out as well in front. And then they've pulled out. Okay, so that was it. Quite quick. The type of questions you will answer about the video clip, let's go through. You'll answer questions like these. Why are motorcyclists considered vulnerable road users? Why should the driver on the side road look out for the motorcyclists at junctions? In this clip, you can cross the chevrons to overtake other vehicles. When is it safe to do so? For each of the 3 questions, you will have to choose the correct answer from 4 possible answers. Let's go through it. Oh no, it doesn't show you. Okay, let's carry on anyway. What the screen will look like. The left hand side of the screen will show the video clip with the controls to it. Play the video, pause the video, move to a specific part of the video on our progress bar, watch the video using the full screen. Okay. The right hand side of the screen will show the questions and 4 possible answers. Okay, so here's a video on the left side. Play, pause button, and there you can move it up or down, I guess. Okay, mark 1 answer. What do the double yellow lines mean? Here, and then you answer it. Okay. Who this change will affect. Okay, all the car theory tests will use a video clip from the 28th of September 2020. This includes if you fail a test before then and retake it from the 20th of September 2020, your test is cancelled. Oh, that's quite important. Or moved for any reason and your new test date is from the 20th of September. Okay, what's not changing? You'll still need to study the same books and software to prepare for your theory test. You'll still need to answer 50 multiple choice questions within 57 minutes. Get 43 out of 50 questions right to pass a multiple choice part of the test. The hazard perception part of the test is not changing. This is where you watch video clips to spot developing hazards. The tests that are not changing. The test does not yet apply to these tests of the theory test. Motorcyclist, motorcycle, lorry, bus or coach, approved driving instructor part 1. Let's see, other support for people with a reading difficulty, disability or health condition. You can have reasonable adjustment made to your theory test if you have a reading difficulty, disability, health conditions. These includes extra time to take the test, someone to read what's on the screen and record your answers, someone to reword the questions for you. So there you have it, guys. That's how the test will be changing from the 20th of September 2020. Good luck if you're going to do it before then, and if you got it afterwards, make sure you're prepared well in advance. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe with FM Driving School for all the latest videos, all the latest updates, and even tips on how to pass your driving test.